everyone, Kelly Shaffner here, and today is Natalie Attired. I'm so pleased that you have joined me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please be certain to subscribe. Tap that bell and you'll get a notification every time I make a video. My videos are all about women's clothing, so I hope you will join me for another video. And hi to all my returning subscribers. It's so nice to see you all today. I am really excited to get into my Natalie Attired box. You guys remember this setup? This is my bedroom. I used to film a lot in my bedroom, but now I have an office dedicated to filming. My husband is working on that office today, and this box came in, and I really want to get into it and share it with you. So I decided to film in here. The house is coming along. For those of you that don't know, we have just moved and we are putting this house together. I'm doing my best to kind of show you guys the progress. So the progress is, yeah, we have a bed to sleep in and some lamps. In my last Natalie Attired unboxing, I kept 3 items. I wanted to let you know, I kept that mustard cape-like cardigan. I kept that sweater, that rust-colored sweater that had the white around the cuffs. I did wear that sweater on Christmas Eve. I love it. Actually, I've worn it twice and washed it. It washed wonderfully. I really enjoy that sweater with that front knot detail. And I also kept the Liverpool denim. They were a little bit short, but I have a feeling I can make them work. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see my outfit diary. The Liverpool denim are sure to make an appearance on that video. If you haven't tried Natalie Attired and you're not familiar with the subscription, I will leave everything you need to know in the description bar below. I also leave my referral link, and if you use my referral link to order your Natalie Attired box, I get a little bit of credit. So I have to give a big shout out. Thank you very much to the women that have used my referral link. You make it so much easier for me to do these unboxings. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Okay, let's get into it. Here's what my box looks like. With Natalie Attired, you do not get any sort of preview, so you really don't know what you're going to receive. Here's my bundle. Oh, it looks a little bit dark. Oh no, oh no, what is this? This is denim, and that is light colored denim, which normally does not look good on me, so this already looks scary. On the top of my bundle, I have an invoice. I'll look at that later. I also have a personal note from my stylist. She says, "Hi Kelly, Happy New Year. Congrats on your move. I chose a collection that you can mix and match. Everything looks great with these pants. Enjoy. Annie." Annie is my stylist. Oh, I'm still scared of the pants because I can already see that they are a light color. I have a return mailer. Just in case it doesn't all work, I can send it back, and postage is free both ways with Natalie Attired. The label's already on the bag, really easy. I just drop it off at the post office. Let's just start with the pants. Oh, the good news is they're Liverpool, and they are kind of a pinkish color. And okay, they're super stretchy. What are these? These are the Liverpool Sea Piper Hugger Ankle Skinny Pant. They are $96. And I did notice they sent them in one size down, which is even scarier. I hope they make me look like a super mom. See, they're super stretchy. Yes, they are really super stretchy. Looks like 5-pocket styling, and this is really an unusual color. It's light. It's a clean hem there. A lot of times Natalie Attired sends a box where everything mixes and matches together, so I do appreciate that. Let's see if everything is going to work with these pants. The next thing, right off the bat, I love these colors. Look at this. This is a really super, super soft, kind of a lightweight sweater. There's a cuff on the end there. And I am normally not a floral girl, but I do not find this one offensive, probably because it feels so nice. What is it? This is the long sleeve arm patch top by Chris and Carol. Arm patch. Oh my gosh, look at this. They have velvet elbow patches. OMG, I love it. I hope this one works. Okay, the next thing we have is a piece inside of a piece. So let's start with the shell or the top inside. Oh my goodness. This is by Gilli. I have this blouse in the color mustard and I love it. Okay, what is this? This is the Gilli sleeveless necktie top, and this is kind of in a white or ivory color, and it's got the tie up here, and I can already tell you that, what size is it? It's in a size small. I love this. See how it's a high-low? And I love my mustard one, so I really don't mind getting this in a white or ivory color. She paired that shell with this kind of jacket cardigan. This is like a cardigan weight, and it's gray in color, and it almost looks like a tweed, but it's not a tweed. This is just the fabric. And we have that drape front. It's kind of patchwork too, the way it's all put together, mixed material, which I kind of enjoy. So this is pretty neutral. It's gray and white, and on the inside of the sleeves, it's actually more of a brushed knit, and the top part is more of a cotton fabric. We also have some patch pockets on the front. This looks really interesting. This is by Skies Are Blue. It's called the long sleeve jacket by Skies Are Blue. It's $42. I like that price tag. And the last thing in the box is, this is by Skies Are Blue, and this is long sleeve necktie floral blouse in teal, and right off the bat, this just doesn't feel like me. I think the color is beautiful. Sure is a lot of ruffles around the neck and then the tie there, which I'm really not that crazy about the ties on the chest like that. Let's see the sleeves. Ooh, the sleeves are a bit sheer, and there's an elastic band causing another little ruffle there. What's the hemline look like? The hemline is straight across. These really, I mean, it's a beautiful color. It also has some texture. Can you see the texture on that? Which usually I'm a pushover for texture. So we'll see what this one looks like on. This collection looks marvelous. The good news is this is the least expensive style box that I have received all year. They did a great job keeping items in my price point. The total of my box is $283. And with the buy all discount, it's $210, and I do have some credit. $210 for a pair of jeans, a cardigan, and 3 blouses is a pretty good price. But like I said, I have some credit, so I can really afford to buy this whole box. But should I buy this whole box? Let me give you my thoughts on each piece. So the Liverpool denim, this is in a color dusty pink, and I'm always self-conscious wearing lighter colors on my bottom, but these are a real nice, thick, substantial fabric, and yet they have a lot of stretch in them. They are one size down. I'm wondering if I might feel more comfortable if I sized up in these. These are the most expensive thing in the box, coming in at $96. So that's pricey, but for the buy all discount, I think it's well worth keeping these, perhaps sizing up. I was real impressed with the length on these. I tried these with my booties. I rolled them one time just to go over my booties, but these would be a great length to wear with flats as well. Please let me know your thoughts on this color of denim for me. If you've been watching me for a while, you know this is a real struggle of mine. The Chris and Carol top, you guys, I love this top. It's a textured top. This top is $44, and I didn't notice earlier, but it does have the mixed material. There's that velvet up here as well as the velvet arm patches. Now, did those elbow patches line up? You saw the back of it. I'm not real sure that they did. I'm not real sure that I care. I like this so very much. And I think the elbow patches kind of blend into the garment. I think this is just a fabulous top. It feels like it would be very easy to wear. I need more floral in my life. In fact, I just think I need this. I'm really drawn to this. Do you guys like it? Am I kidding myself here? This is perhaps my favorite piece in this entire box. Now, the Gilli shell. I know that I like this. They sent this in a size small. I'm not a size small, especially not, this doesn't have any give. This is a polyester top, and I definitely need a medium in this. I know that I like this top because I own it in a different color, and if I keep the entire box, I will size up in this one. This is going to be just a great, really versatile piece. If I had my size, you would see how cute this neck detail is, but I didn't want to fool with it because I know I'm not going to keep it in this size. And the Skies Are Blue jacket. Now, I like this drape front jacket. Again, with the mixed materials, we have the grays, the black and white. It's a bit of a chevron, but I think it looks almost like a tweed. This is only $42. I did have one issue with this jacket. It is the placement of the pockets. We have the patch pockets, and then they have the flap over them, which I don't need a flap. I love having pockets on my cardigans and jackets because I don't know that the pockets are going to be a problem because they're not something I will probably keep my hand in. Let me see, can I tuck that in? No, it really doesn't tuck very nicely in. Sometimes I do that if they have the flaps. I just tuck it right in. But this little jacket is only $42. I think I will get a lot of wear out of this jacket. And I am really enjoying those drape front jackets right now. And the last piece is this Skies Are Blue teal top. It's got a boho feel to it, I think. I was prepared not to like this, and surprise, I like it. I love the texture on it. I like the color of it. The ruffles did not offend me once I had it on. I don't care for the tie front, but I do think that I can tie it lower. You don't even notice. The elastic around the wrists was a little bit large. It wasn't bad though, because I could choose to wear this sleeve kind of pushed up if I chose to. I thought that looked pretty nice also. Now this blouse is the most expensive blouse. It's $59. It is lined. This is a nice quality piece that I'm actually surprised I liked it. And that's why I am considering keeping the entire box. Okay, I need your opinions though. Tell me the truth about the light pink jeans. I just don't know if I need that color in my wardrobe, if it's the best color for me. I am impressed that all of the pieces that she sent actually go with those jeans. That's pretty outstanding. So I like everything, and that is a great problem to have. I just don't know if I need everything, so I look forward to your comments and your thoughts on the items I received in this Natalie Attired. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up? I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in 2 days with a brand new video. Blessings to all of you.